My name is Jessi Metzger. I started coming here last summer when I was 4 months pregnant with my fourth baby. My main reason for coming was I had a really traumatic birth with my third, and I just knew my pelvic floor was very weak. I had a lot of fears. I had a lot of, honestly, when I would play with my kids and I'd be jumping around, I'd be peeing my pants, and I hated that. So I also knew, hey, I have this new baby coming and I want to have as much control over this birth as I possibly can. Before I came here, I had to wear a pad anytime I went to do anything just to be secure, almost like a safety blanket, just in case. And I had to think about it all the time, okay, don't jump, don't run, don't do this, don't do that. And now I can just play with my kids and not worry about it. And it's amazing. I feel like I just thought that that was going to be the rest of my life, that I was just going to never be able to run around with my kids the way that I used to be. I was never going to be able to just be carefree. It was something I was always going to have to worry about and be embarrassed about for the rest of my life. And the fact that, first of all, it's not, now I feel like just in the back of my mind, not even thinking about it, I have just stronger techniques that I implement without even thinking about it. But also if something flares up or I have pain or whatever, Jill has given me so many different options. It's not even one or two things, that I feel like I have so many tools in my tool belt to be able to help myself. I feel very empowered. It's funny, thinking back even that far, but when we first came, I was really surprised with how detailed it was. It wasn't just, okay, here we're gonna throw a few exercises at you. We're gonna really see you as a person and really get a good understanding of your background, make you feel seen, make you feel heard. Oh my gosh, I feel like these people are my friends. It's so funny. Everyone walks in, I'm just listening to their conversation, and everyone is so positive, so positive. Working with, just hearing the way they talk to each other, talk to their patients, it's so positive, and it's so everyone's always seems like they're having fun. It's part of a club. I want to be a part of this club, I guess I should say. I'm